Hey guys, it's Dylan. So today I'm going to show everyone how to do something that has been super helpful, at least for me being a singer, is taking a karaoke track and putting it into a key that is better suited for your voice. I sing a lot of female songs, so songs sung by girls. So I need to change the key because I just don't have that range, sadly. So we're gonna use a free program called Audacity. You can get it right on the internet, super easy to download. And I'm just gonna show you how to take a track and put it into a key that works better for you. Alrighty, so first things first, we're gonna pop on over to my computer, and that's obviously where we're gonna start because this is a computer program, so let's go. I'm going to go ahead and open Audacity, which I've already downloaded. Hit OK. And now what I need to do is I need to drag a karaoke track into Audacity, which this is the same on Mac or on your Windows. I'm not going to show you exactly how to get a karaoke track just because there are so many tracks and ways to do this on the internet. Just Google it. You can get karaoke tracks from YouTube and download those. But what we need to do is start with, let's see, we'll take this Billie Eilish lovely karaoke track. I'm just going to drag it over. Okay, so for the next part, what I use as a rule of thumb, which generally works for me, is if you have a low voice and you're going to sing a song that is too high for you, what I actually do is I will bring the key up because it'll bring it into a perfect, comfortable key for me. And if I'm singing something that is close to my range, so not significantly higher, I'm just gonna bring that down. It just makes it to where when you're going and messing around with the key, you don't end up with like this really wonky, too high or too low. So just kind of base it off of that. Let's go ahead and do that to the Billie Eilish song. Okay, so with this song in specific, it's not really too high for me, but let's just imagine that the song is way out of my key. So when I sing it, it's either super low or super high. I'm going to double click it, so it's going to turn that light color. I'm gonna go right up here to Effect, click that, and just scroll down to Change Pitch. And this part is super duper simple. If it has a minus right here next to that number, it means you're going down. If it has, let's go from F to F sharp. If it doesn't, it means it's going up. So like I said, if the song is way too high or way too low, I'm probably going to try, let's say 2, 3, 4 half steps, so 2 whole steps, and I would try that out. Go ahead, and it just applies it just like that. And then if you listen to it, as opposed to what it was, you can actually just come over here, go to edit, and you can just undo what you did. Let's listen to that. So now that you know how to kind of mess around with songs, there's really not going to be any song that you can't sing, which is going to be super helpful because there's no shame in a song being too high or too low for you. Or maybe you just have some really super cool high note that you want to pull out and it just doesn't work with the key you're in. Bring it down a little bit and you can bring in some more impressive stuff. So I really hope that it's helpful. All right, so now that you know how to change the pitch, we're gonna probably put somewhere in this video is going to be the link to Audacity to download it. Like I said, you're just gonna go to the site. If you have a Mac, download it for Mac. If you have why do I always forget what it's called? Windows, download it for Windows. And it's super simple, it doesn't take much to download. It's extremely safe. I've had it on every computer I've ever had since I was a kid because I've always if the key doesn't work for you, change the key. There's nothing wrong with that. If it's too high for you, it's nothing embarrassing to bring it down a half step just to make it work better for your voice. So I hope this is really helpful. I know this was super great to know for me, and I hope you're able to do a lot of covers and performances using this program. Bye.